Hello Chris, and today I'm bringing you guys on a what's on my phone. Let's get into it. So this is my lock screen. I took it from a Twitter account that dedicate themselves to edit BTS pictures and turn them into wallpapers. I will tag them somewhere around here. And yeah, I've been quite tired of this one already, so I'm trying to find another cool one that I can use. But yeah, so this is my home screen. It is also taken from the same account of my lock screen. I usually try for my lock screen and home screen to match, mainly because I find it aesthetically pleasing, and then depending on where everything is set, if for example like I have a BTS singer or I have a quote in the middle, then I'll move everything around. But for now I have all my apps on the side so that I can see this picture very well. Here I have my WhatsApp, the camera, Wattpad, Twitter, Tumblr, Netflix, HelloTalk, Snow, and the Amazon Alexa app. And then I also have here like Google Drive, which I basically use for university things. I don't even know what that is. I have Google Photos, which I use a lot. I have a blue light filter, but then I realized that my phone already had one. But these are basically all Google apps. The ones that I use the most from here are basically Twitter and Wattpad. I don't touch Tumblr unless I want to have a new wallpaper. And I only use Netflix on my phone when I'm laying on my bed or when I'm at university and I'm eating by myself and I don't have my tablet with me, so then I'll watch Netflix on my phone. But yeah, that's that. I'd like to talk about HelloTalk more and I would love to dedicate a video for it, so stay tuned for that. Then I have my to-do list page, which is basically a lot of to-do list, which I don't touch ever. And I have a to-do list for these quarantine weeks because I want to like do some things that I know I'll regret if I don't do. Right over here I have my music app, which is basically Samsung Music, which I had to download because it doesn't come pre-installed on phones. But anyways, then I have the game launcher, I have reminders, the alarm clock, I have BSCO, BSCO, which is an app to edit pictures, and the one that I use to edit my Instagram pictures, which is a very cool app and I have lots of fun with it. I have my calculator and I have this folder over here, which is basically food apps and discount apps that I use every time I go out to eat, and I always try to find if they have an app in which they have discounts or they have like buy one get two and things like that. So there's that. I have like this food folder, which is very funny. I also have a dictionaries one, which is basically all just quick accesses to online dictionaries, and I have here the Japanese dictionary, I have an English dictionary, German, then I have got Quizlet, Goodreads, which I don't use much, and I have Google Translate, which I use to help me out with Japanese homework, because oh my goodness. Then I have the miscellaneous app tab, which is basically my voice recorder. I have Wally, which is another wallpaper app. I have my calculator again, don't ask me why, I didn't know about that one. I have to delete this one, so I'm going to do that now because I don't use it. I don't use tags. My Instagram account is private, so I don't use tags for anything. I have this app which connects to my stopwatch. So this app is to put covers and information about music that I have on my phone, because they usually, like when I get them, they look like this and they don't have a cover art, they don't have anything, so I try to like put everything so at least I know what I'm listening to without having to read it. And then I have the flow app, which is basically to like know when my period will start and when will it end, which is very useful and I really recommend it. So Carnet Jove is basically like a card that you use that we have here in Catalonia for teenagers, which also gives you like discounts. But yeah, there's that. Then I have my notes app. And I have a calendar here which I don't use much, and that's basically it. So this is my phone, this is how it looks like.